Good morning. It's Friday. One day till the weekend. Man, what an interesting trading week for me personally. We had Memorial Day, and now we're pretty much uh, going back and forth in the market. Interesting stuff. I didn't even know why we get rallied yesterday until like after I think the trading session. I got an email from Take Profits saying that they blocked Trump's tariffs. I guess I don't know. I don't really look at news, honestly. Like the only time I really look at news events is like currently, like right now, we have revised consumer sentiment at 10. It could, I mean, typically sometimes affects the market, sometimes it doesn't. It just depends on how people are positioned. So it's not something I really care about. The only time I do care about is when it'll impact volatility session. But other than that, I mean, just follow price, and you'll figure it out along the way. So, what is my purpose of trading? To provide liquidity into the markets through disciplined, high-quality executions, and to guide other traders in mastering process over probabilities, not outcomes. My mission for trading is to build a multi-million-dollar trading business in the next 10 years by compounding consistency, emotional control, and elite-level execution to live a life of freedom, fulfillment, and impact on my terms. So the directional bias: only go long if prices above both pre-market midpoints or prior to midpoints. Only go short if below pre-market midpoint and prior to midpoint. As you can tell, we're in between the two. So that's going to tell us something that we need. That's going to give us a clue on where we need to go. All right, trading contracts. One trade max, $300 loss, $300 max loss. Strict trading hours, 9:30 to 12. Walk away after taking a loss. Get enforced. I might change the 9:30 to 9:45. I think that's just because I'm having more success with 9:45 currently, but subject to change depending on how the session goes. Gotta adapt as quick as possible. So, what is the higher time frame saying? Below zero price, below midpoints. We were below midpoints, now we're kind of in between. Mood map yesterday was downtrend day one. What is the expected? Yep. What is the EMA chart saying? Below EMAs. So this is where it's going to get a little tricky, right? So we did get to 59.10, came back in, so that's about 4 points. Oh, 59.09, about 4 points already. So that trade already went, unless we get something at the open, right? I kind of want to wait for 59.25. I'm going to revise one of the plans. 59.25. Stop would be 59.29. 59.21. Okay, there we go. So yeah, I mean, it's more biased to the downside than the upside. Now we could change, right? I'm not saying this is a guarantee, but we could change. We do have a gap here that kind of needs to get filled. We have another gap here that needs to get filled. If I think there was a gap this session, we filled it. Now we need to fill these two gaps, and then we're gonna back to business, right? We also have a gap below in May that's gonna get filled sometime in the future. I don't know when. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much the game plan for today. Nothing too complex, too complicated. Very simple stuff, and we keep it moving, keep it pushing. So, hope you guys have a great session. I will see you guys on the other side.